Welcome to CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. I'm going to briefly explain what the Kodiak Vestibule is, showing a few short video clips so you can determine whether it's something you need. Sometimes customers are confused by the word vestibule. Basically, in the industry, it might be better known simply as a porch. Your Kodiak tent includes an awning, which is the roof part of this porch in the video. The wall on the left side of this roof awning is the vestibule. Basically, it encloses a large portion of the awning, providing some privacy and some protection from the elements. As you can see in this video, it's lightly snowing. As soon as I take the camera underneath the awning, you can see the type of protection it gives from the snow. If you're getting some light rain and snow as I did in this example, the vestibule allows you to keep your equipment dry. Of course, if you have a terrible wind, it's not a good idea to leave the vestibule up, but technically it could be used as a cover for your equipment. As it continued to snow, the equipment stayed protected. As you can see, the grass underneath the awning and the vestibule has no snow. Here you can see the tent set up without the vestibule and the snow accumulating on the tent and underneath the awning. The vestibule is not required, but it sure can come in handy if you're an all-weather camper or camping for extended periods of time. The vestibule porch is made out of the same canvas as the awning and the rest of the tent, making it a perfect match. It includes the stakes, the roof pole, and the guy rope. In my example, I added extra grommets to the awning, and that can be done very easily. Check out our video for information on how to do that. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like the video or subscribe to our channel. For more information, including reviews, photos, videos, and more, visit us at CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com.